Despite the well-known hazards, the lead industry continues to promote lead use as safe and responsible. For decades, paint companies advertised the fake health benefits of sanitary lead paint and appealed to children with coloring books. Fast forward to today, lead industries are still trying to hide the truth. They don't use cartoons in their ads anymore, but they do all sorts of other things to trick the public and delay regulation. They fund fake scientific research that hides the dangers of lead and raises doubt on established science. In one case, they hired 3 different experts to raise questions about a study documenting the impacts of low-level lead exposures on children's brains. And they used these efforts to lobby governments to avoid regulating lead paint and environmental emissions. They use marketing ploys like telling the public that lead is critical to a sustainable future to make lead seem less deadly than it really is. They fight regulation and refuse to stop making lead paint. And in 2021, the largest lead battery company even closed down the newest lead recycling plant in the U.S. and sent their used lead batteries to more polluting plants in Mexico. But today, we know that millions of children around the world are poisoned and will suffer from learning disabilities and not reach their full potential. Almost 1 million people a year die from lead exposure. If we don't do something to stop this, an awful lot of people will die. We just can't let that happen. We will continue to track industry's attempts to influence policy and undermine health. And we will continue to provide scientific expertise to help our global partners to fight back. Join us in our efforts to prevent lead poisoning around the world.